In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best deal range discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for deal range discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called Groupon, and as you can see, we have at least two different promo codes and deals that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this exclusive free £5 gift card, all you have to do is select get rewards from right here. And as you can see, you have to enter your email address and then move forward in order to get this £5 free gift card on your email address. Also, going back to our main search, we have this voucher codes website, and right here we also have some deals that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with up to 50% discount of latest offers, all you need to do is select get sales right here. And as you can see, there is no code required. All you need to do is select continue to the range and you'll be redirected to the website and the discount will be applied automatically. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.